Barbie Fortesa update. Ang ganda ng outfit ni Barbie sa pagrampa niya sa GMA Gala 2024. Ito yung interview kay Barbie at sa pagrampa niya sa red carpet.
Wow! Princess talaga! Oo
Yun,
nga!
Frontline princess.
I love the pose! Sabi
Barbie
ko kanina
Fortesa.
nung nakita kita sa live, sabi ko, ay si Taylor Swift! Diba?
Taylor
Okay.
Swift.
Sige, mag-aeroscore na ako. Ay!
Barbie,
I'm so sorry.
okay lang, Barbie, ano ka ba? Huwag ka
I do not
mag-sorry.
apologize.
Okay, linawin ko lang ha. Barbie, do not
Seryoso.
say sorry for looking gorgeous and looking beautiful.
Ay, thank you naman.
Okay. Pero syempre, because you look gorgeous and beautiful,
Barbie.
sino ang gumawa nitong obra na ito?
Yes.
Diba?
Well, this is a custom Mac Tumang ball gown. And me and my team collaborated this whole look. This is also an inspiration to my upcoming show Palang Araw. As you can see, there are sakura branches.
Sakura branches.
But the flowers are sampaguita.
Isang pag-ibig.
Oh.
Merge the Japan and the Philippines.
Yeah.
And also, I mean, naturally, we will choose white talaga to
Barbie,
symbolize
Barbie
the
puti.
new look of 1947,
Kasi buti ng suot niya.
which celebrated the newly found peace after the war.
Yeah.
Wow, I love the meaning
You
behind
look
it. Yes,
absolutely
thank you.
amazing. At saka ang ganda nung pag-mix niya ng Japan.
Yeah, that's actually so. Did you think of that?
Yeah.
Actually, it's my image architect and a good friend of mine, John
Wow.
Rock, who really planned this whole look. Talagang we have been planning this look since February.
Wow. Preparation, huh?
Yes.
Grabe.
Oo.
So creative. Well, I loved it. I love how you kept the hair and makeup simple because, you know, you can never go wrong
The
with
gown is
hard and
Yeah.
the gown.
medyo todo na.
Oh, yeah.
Todo,
That's,
todo.
yeah.
Pero dahil binanggit mo ang Pulang Araw, imbitahin natin lahat ating kapuso sa Pulang Araw. No? Papalapit
Yes,
na.
yes, opo. But before that, I just want to complete my team. I would also like to thank Sir Neil Philippe for my clutch, Love Rock for my jewelry, Miss Tony Avalet for my makeup, Nanay Fatima Josa for my hair, and Miss Doreen Odvina. I also have my shoes custom made, if you guys can see it.
Yeah.
Can you help? Yes.
Heels ni Barbie.
There, tear na siya talaga. Matchy-matchy siya talaga sa dress.
With the flowers pa? Grabe.
So, talagang the
All right.
whole look talaga ay talagang well thought of.
Wow.
Thank you.
We won't keep you standing here for
Yeah,
long.
oo.
All right.
Punta ni Barbie.
Thank you guys.
Walang
Pulang araw, malapit na po. Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Wow.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung na-update. Ito po ang Mature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, team for what?